Welcome to Fluent English with Shah. I am beautiful and write beautifully. Today I will help you stop overusing one very common words because let's learn 10 powerful alternatives that will make you sound more fluent and confident in English. So ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. Section 1. Since. Example, since it was raining, we stayed inside. Use this when giving a reason in a calm, logical way. Number 2. As. Example, as I was tired, I went to bed early. Great for both spoken and formal writing. Number 3. Due to the fact that. Example, we cancelled the trip due to the fact that the weather was bad. Formal and suitable for essay or business communication. Section 2. 4. Owing to. Example, owing to his hard work, he passed the exam. Sounds very professional. 5. In view of. Example, in view of the recent events, we have changed our policy. Use this in official or serious context. 6. As a result of. Example, as a result of his dedication, he was promoted. Perfect for cause and effect situations. Section 3. 7. Thanks to. Example, thanks to your support, I achieved my goals. Positive tone, very natural. 8. Considering. Example, considering his age, he is doing great. Casual yet smart. 9. Seeing that. Example, seeing that she is busy. I will talk to her later. Common in conversational English. 10. For the reason that. Example, I didn't join the trip for the reason that I was unwell. Formal but expressive. So now you don't have to repeat because again and again. Use these advanced alternatives and elevate your spoken English. Which one was your favorite? Comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and share with your friends. Let's become fluent English with Shah. Thank you very much.